Oh, so beautiful, guys. Look at that little setup. Look at the chairs. Look at the bar. There's more to the side. We also have today's news, the newsstand. Coming to the airport. Philadelphia Marketplace, and they have the Admirals Club down there and the Airport Marriott. Just in case if you're in for a great read, we have the Philadelphia Tribune, and it's a store that has mostly Philadelphia gear. So if you come to the Philadelphia International Airport, come and check them out and get some gear, guys. Now it's different when you go to duty free. And they have everything in the store, but I don't know if you have to be buying internationally to buy stuff. So we're gonna find out, guys. So this is my favorite brand of everything that they have. Lancome is in the building, guys. So we can buy everything except cigars, cigarettes, and liquor or wine and spirits, right? But everything else we can actually purchase. So we have some more Lancome products over here. Some Versace below, and they have a cheaper table where you can buy the must-have. The Azaro is $29.99, and we have a $39 and a $39 down below, and that's individual by month blanc. That smells good. I might have to buy it and give it away as a present. But this actual Calvin Klein is very fresh. It's beautiful. So I'm gonna try one called L'Occitane. And they, I heard, have like some really good skincare products. But these are the items that they have below. And we also have the Timeless Estee Lauder Pleasures. Well, that's one of the perfumes that's like an all-time favorite. And this right here is just fresh and flirty and it's just so beautiful. My aunt, she loves to wear that as well. And she's too of a beautiful fan because she is a beautiful lady. So that fragrance, it's very timeless as well. And they have some makeup stuff as well. We have the Clinique. Oh, my favorite Clinique product was the Clinique Happy Heart, which was one of the perfumes my mother bought for me. And it was delightful, guys. And they also have a men collection as well. So for that wonderful man in your life, father, brother, whoever you have, that's a good one to have 30% off. There is a Chloe Love Story, that one's 30% off. And we also have Jean Paul Gaultier, Scandal, and there's Boss Modern Muse, that's 30% off. So they have some good fragrances here that are like on sale. So these are like 30% off. So Chloe Love Story, I don't know the cost of that, but that's also 30% off. And it's the ED Sensuale. We're not even going to look at wines because, we can't buy them anyway unless you're traveling internationally. But you have some more 20% off on beauty, and that's, they have 20% off the Chanel Blue for men. They have the Eau de Parfum, and they have like the Allure Sport, Allure Platinum. So they have a few selections there. And then we also have the Chanel Chance, All Tender, Chanel Eau de Toilette. I love the fresh at the bottom. It's a Fraiche. We have Mademoiselle, Gabrielle, and all over there. Look at that, guys. They have the Low, the Chanel Low. That one is $122. Not bad price. Usually inside stores in the mall, it's like give or take $150. This Dior, which is also one of my favorite all time. Beautiful lady up there. Look at the scarf around her hand. She is a blooming bouquet. Beautiful lady. Alright, so we're gonna come down to Miss Dior. That scent right there, blooming bouquet, is my all-time favorite, guys. J'adore. My sister loves that one too as well. And we have the Your Home. We're gonna move over to the Versace, and this one is beautiful. Yes. Acquadigio. Thank you, madam. My way is beautiful as well. Acquadigio for men are very fresh. Look at this handsome fellow. Oh, who wouldn't want to look at that face every day? Beautiful people on this one, this campaign. And we have some Calvin Klein as well. Calvin Klein, they make the best clothes. They are my all-time favorite. They make wonderful dresses that are shaped for your body. They have the Paco Rabanne, and that's 1 million. Ooh, we're getting hot in here, guys. Oh, Chloe, she stole my heart. Oh my God, Chloe Nomad. They have Tiffany. Shout out to Tiffany. I hope you guys are doing well right now. And Marc Jacobs, Daisy Love, all the summer scents. Just beautiful. Like, imagine you're in that meadow of flowers. Beautiful experience. Then we're gonna move over to the Hennessy, but we're not even gonna pay attention to that because we can't even get it, guys. But look at the Courvoisier. Oh my God. Okay, the VSOP. Okay, you know you're in the creme de la creme, Glenlivet. And they have some of the most amazing champagnes. Oh, Lord have mercy. Look at that, guys. Holy. This is a trip of a lifetime. You have to come and get some vodka. Have the Belvedere. But look at this bottle. It's Orloff. Guys, have you ever seen that one? $43. They got the Hendrix, Amazonia Gin, Tanqueray, and Bottega. Bottega is Gin Bacor, and that's $46, guys. The Tito handmade vodka, right there. Smirnoff Absolute, and we have Ciroc. Top notch here, okay guys? Top notch. Oh my God. I don't know, I'm so excited. But they have the members Mark II as well. And if you're feeling a little captainish, you know, islandy, you have to get the Captain Morgan Black Spice. And they have the Captain Morgan Spice Rum. They have the Drambu and Zacapa. That one's 102. So if you guys are doing international flights, this is the place to come to get your wine and spirits, guys. I almost thought we skipped a beat, but we didn't. And we have the ombre leather, and that one is 150 in the Tom Ford. Oh my God. Then we have the Eau Soleil Blanc, Tom Ford Noir, and we also have Tom Ford Velvet Orchid, and I believe that's effing fabulous, but that one's Tom Ford Noir. Then we have some Dolce & Gabbana and some Gucci scents as well. Gucci is an all-time favorite as well. You can't go wrong with Gucci. Then we also have up to 35% off, and that one is the Sapolo for $65.10. So the Polo colognes are on sale right now. They also have the Spice Bomb Victor and Rolf to match the Flower Bomb perfume, and that is Burberry at the bottom, Mr. Burberry. And then we have Obsessed. You know, the girls are gonna be like, why are you so obsessed with me? Okay, then we have this side, Two-Tone Heroes, good girl, bad boy too, kind of thing. And there you go, you have Issey-Miyake. You have some options there, guys. So if you want that fun, fresh kind of scent. Isimiaki is the one, but if you can't afford that one, the dupe would be the Calvin Klein or Acquadigio. So you're in that fresh kind of scent. Acquadigio is the one. All right, so that concludes the video for today. Look at this bottle here. This is the 1800 Millennial, and they have the Selección Suprema. Look at that, guys, $299, and this is aged agave, and it's 100% the agave from Mexico. Right? Look at that, beautiful. Oh my gosh. So we're in the Don Julio kind of Herradura, Centenario, all the tequilas that you guys can think of. Duty free has it, guys. So don't skip a beat. Alright, they have the Tres Generación. I think that's how I'm saying it. But they have all of the special tequilas. You know, all that, everything that's straight from Mexico. They have it, guys. They even have this one called Maestro Dobel. Never seen that one before. And they have the infamous Don Julio in the Tequila Blanco. Okay, guys? They have the Don Perignon, $260. And we have the Bellier Rosé, the Moet and Chandon. And then we have Moet and Chandon down at the bottom. But more importantly, they have the Vous Coquet. Okay, guys? That one is $67. That is a really nice champagne. It's very bubbly. We had it at my dad's birthday party, and it was really nice. So this is a champagne I would definitely recommend. This is the tip for today. We have a fashionable dress. Cute, right, guys? In the back. Also have our life in training hoodie on, our sweatshirt, here to keep us warm, you know, when the AC comes on. Little section of crocheting and knitting, little animals. It's called the Gothic Habitat by Rachel Blunt. Beautiful display. You want to see it up close and personal. It's like crochet and quilting. The ground people are working hard today. God bless them and keep them safe. Look at all the bags coming down the little carousel. So cute, guys. And look at the air traffic control tower. Carolinas, you have to come back and check out this Carolina Panthers store for all the gear. So beautiful. I love the colors. American Airline Admirals Club, and it's open from 5:15 a.m. to 11 p.m. It looks empty in there, but we're gonna go test it out. So this is the view right now as we're walking down the corridor.
If you need assistance, please let us know. Free entertainment is available on today's flight. Stream